Om Swastiastu.
So what's the Balinese culture?
Balinese culture is famous culture in Indonesia. In Bali Island, we have Hindu religion, it's Hindu culture. That's an example. Hindu temple. In Hindu people have 3 times to praying to the gods. It's named Tri Sanya. 6 o'clock in morning, 12 o'clock in afternoon, and 6 o'clock in evening. And we have offering for the gods here. This is small offering. We put yellow flower, red flower, pink flower, green flower, and candy. This is offering for the gods. And we put here, and this, the yellow flower, is to Raditya gods. And we said, Om Aditya Sya Param Yotir Rakta Teja Namastute Sweta Pankaja Madhyasta Vaskaraya Namastute Om Rang Ring Syah Param Siwa Dityaya Namaswaha. Only that's one example to praying to the gods in Hindu religion. Suksma and Om Santi 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 Om.